Hey, it's Motorcycle Garage. Just to apologise for all the last videos going out on the Aprilia. Lots of wind noise, bit crap. So apologise for that, but I'll get things together, produce some better videos soon, hopefully. So, just an update with the Ducati. Up the end of the garage there. Just a crack, as you can see there. There's a crack-ish, not that bad actually, in the LCD display there, and managed to get a whole lot bought together. Had to buy the whole lot, but for a few quid actually. But it had a perfect one of these digital displays for the water temperature and fuel gauge. Brilliant things really. Not many cages have got them, but so got all that as well. So I've actually put the new one in now. Actually I didn't have to take any of this out, did it all in situ, took it off, fed it through, and managed to undo the back bolt there, actually in situ, all this in situ on the bike as it were, and unclip these two here, put back, and then feed it through very carefully, a bit tight, feed it through here, and then feed it through there, and then tighten it up at the back there. But yeah, really pleased with that. This still works perfectly, so actually still does the job. It's just nice to get one without a slight blemish in it there, just there. But, yeah, that way up, that's the thing that sets it. So, nice spare Ducati ST2 clocks, but useful for the future maybe, if needed, for stock. So that's an update on Ducati. So, yeah, had a bit of an incident with the Ducati. Went to Hull and had a good ride up there with the Ducati, and parked up in the centre of Hull, and accidentally left it on park right now. I've got the lithium-ion battery in there, which is a brilliant battery, charges very quickly, kicks the engine over very quickly, but of course I left it on parking light. 3 hours later, totally flat battery. I've got a video on there showing it. My mate laughed his head off, taking a little video of Carol Nash rescue, which turned up within 20 minutes. Absolutely fantastic. Couldn't recommend it more. And I feared obviously it might be a charging system or something was wrong, but it wasn't. I flattened the battery completely, and we tried to bump it, but on those big V twin 944cc engine, couldn't bump it, and just couldn't turn over the cylinders quick enough. So he came along, jump started it, started up, ran it, was about 80 miles to come home, and all nicely charged, gave it another backup charge when I came home. Been perfect ever since. So I do hear those lithium batteries don't like any form of discharge, small discharge, even side lights, you know, parking lights, things like that. Over say 3-4 hour period, just kills them. So it's just something to remember really. But otherwise, no hassle at all. Brilliant bike. So yeah, I had a brilliant run out today on the Aprilia. There. But I'll just apologise again for the wind noise. Can't do much about that with that camera, but there we go. Get an idea of it. I will put a better video together on the Aprilia and also on the Ducati at a later date. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you can hear a bit of it. Whoops. There we go. Oh, I just acquired a new 30mm silver line spanner, 4 quid. Unbelievable price. For adjusting the rear wheel chain actually, so I can undo it one side, but socket one side and adjust the chain. because it's 30mm on both sides of the Ducati ST2. Obviously following putting a new front sprocket, rear sprocket on it. So that's what I did, and what a difference that's made, massive difference it's made. Just basically gearing it down, a couple of teeth, one at rear, obviously up, and the front one down tooth, and that's made a massive difference now. The rev's obviously another 1,000 higher, which you notice when you're doing 70 miles per hour, but it doesn't matter, it's got plenty more revs there, but so much easier around town, etc. Recommend it highly. They say actually do it on the Aprilia Terreno, recommend that, but I don't mind that, it's got so much power, even with a slightly higher gearing, no problems at all on that. So I will say again, apologise for the last Rideout videos. I will try and improve those. So thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.